brush over. My hair. A bit early because service is a sleigh. Starting the morning with Steph's is literally my favorite thing. Hey mates. Just done my hair and oh my gosh, my back hurts so much because I had a gym session yesterday and we did legs and back. This dress is out right now because I have an event tomorrow night. Something casual like this strappy top that I got from Zara. This is one option. I found a pile. These are some other options. We have this top right here. Guys, can you tell I really like stripes right now? And then this top. This top's actually really cute. This one, I don't know how I feel. This one feels a bit too mature. I don't know. I have this striped top, which I think I'm gonna wear this. I decided to wear this roller sweater on top. It's like a V-neck. I'm running slightly late for this lab, but it's not even compulsory. I just decided to come because I thought, it's just better to get done in class. I just finished my class. Wow, that was very efficient. I can't believe what I've done already. My tutor for this course is very efficient. He's just like, boom, done, class over. Like no questions, no nothing. We can go home, which I really like. It's quite efficient. It's just kind of like get your stuff done, have any questions, no questions, you can go home, which I can appreciate because I just want to go home. If I don't have to be there for the whole hour, I don't want to be there for the whole hour. Yeah, also puts responsibility on you. It's like if you have a question, you better ask it, which I can appreciate. So I used to be one of those students who were really shy, and I'd say I'm still like overall like more kind of introverted and shy, but like I'm not to the degree where like I won't speak up when I need to now, because I realize how weird it is like when you just kind of like awkwardly are like, oh, like you can't like finish your sentence or like say what you need to ask completely. Just like ask them, because I feel like, you know, your teacher's there to answer your questions. Anybody out there who feels awkward and feel like you're not like completing your sentences, just complete them, say it with conviction, say it with confidence, even if you're not sure. Just whatever it is that you're like doing, like, you know, don't ask for it like awkwardly, ask for it like properly. That was just a little life lesson and reminder. If you guys need to improve, speaking with confidence is important because it gets your point across clearly, and also it shows that you can communicate clearly. This is something that has come with age. I used to not be like this, but you can definitely develop yourself and grow into the person that you want to be. So you don't have to always identify with like whatever it was that you identified with. Like I used to be like, I'm a really shy girl, and sometimes, you know, I do still feel that part of me, but you can push past those things that you want to change about yourself and like improve and like whatever it is. So whatever it is that you want to improve on, guys, you just have to practice and, you know, grow in awareness, but just like be more conscious of like how you are, because that way, you know, you can improve on these things. This is my lunch today, guys. We have 2 egg whites, 1 egg, 125 grams of chicken, and 150 grams of vegetables. And I also added 40 grams of pumpkin. On my written assignment. This is going to take me the rest of this week to do, but I really wanted to get started on the bones of it, and somehow I've managed to write up basically a first draft, so it's looking good so far. I'm just going to make some edits. This time I'm studying 2 different kinds of courses, one requiring a lot of writing, the second one being a math course, which obviously a lot of mathematical equations, and because of that I needed to be productive and find tools that would work for me, and I found the most useful study bundle, which you guys are going to want to listen up for this. I'm going to be telling you guys 6 tools that you'll only ever need for school. They will solve all of your pain points for this semester or term. You literally won't need anything else. Starting off with Jenny AI, which I've been using for my assignment right here. This is your intelligent research assistant. It helps you edit, it helps you write, it helps you cite with ease. Next we have Notalo, and this is a tool that helps you create and manage your notes. You can record and chat to lectures and YouTube videos, create flashcards, and test yourself with quizzes based on your notes. Next we have Mathos, which you can use to learn and solve math problems with ease using AI assistance. All you have to do is just upload a picture of the equation and it'll help you solve it, which I really need this term because math is not one of my stronger suits. Next we have SciteSure, which helps you streamline your citation process. It generates accurate references and bibliographies effortlessly. And then we have GPT-0. I was using this all of last term. This is a leading AI detector for ChatGPT, ChatGPT-5, Gemini, and checks your writing quality to make sure that every word is worth reading. And then finally we have VoicePal, which is your ultimate ghostwriting assistant. It helps capture your thoughts instantly and transform them into published content. You can get 6 of the best study tools for the price of 1 on studybundle.com. I'm going to have a link down below for you guys, which you guys can check out. If I had known about this sooner, I would have just gotten this instead of paying separately for different subscriptions. It costs as low as 40 cents per day to access all 6 of these study tools. Again, I'll have a link in the description. Check out studybundle.com. Finding references and citations is honestly such a pain sometimes, so like this has been really helpful. At this point I've already finished like a full almost first draft, so I'm just going to continue on and do my citations, edit everything one more time. Hopefully this will just take me maybe the next couple of days to kind of like refine. Okay, look, it was very straight. It was very, very straight. We're at the golf course right now. We're playing a round of short tees. Very spontaneous decision. Shish kebab. Heck yeah. Slay. How was it? I'm gonna putt all the way in because oh my god, my hair is crazy. But I'm gonna putt all the way in because this is just a little bit too close. Everyone's here as well. Okay, this is my ball. This is everyone else's ball. Oh, slay. Wow. Well, slay. Wait, I didn't even count mine, guys.
Oh no.
Oh no.
It's time for your putt.
Oh. Oh, what? Me? Oh my god, I forget. Okay, vlog my putt then. Guys. Let's do it.
Far.
Yar. Yar. Oh my god. It's okay, bogey. Bogey.
Bogey.
Slay.
Ha.
Totally. Got all of the blueberries and the raspberries in here. I'm gonna mix all of this in. It's like a very thick, like paste kind of consistency. Still moist, but like very thick. But it's meant to be like this so that I don't know actually why it's meant to be like this, but I just know it's because of the Greek yogurt. These are the trays that I have. I just have these little like paper muffin tins, and then I just have this over here. I'm gonna scoop them into here. Hopefully this will cover everything. I think it will. Pre-baking stage. Look how good these look. Some of them are a bit fuller than the others, but it's okay. Looks so good though. The muffins are baking in there. I'm gonna wait 20 minutes. Oh my god, guys, these muffins look so good. I sprinkled a tiny bit of sugar on top, brown sugar. This one kind of blew up like crazy. I low-key think it's because there wasn't like a lot of fruit on top. The ones with more fruit kind of like crumble a bit better like this. But yeah, this looks so good.
So, realistically, oh my god.
This is my look for tonight. I ended up putting my hair up, which I'm really happy about. And I'm also got this dress on. So this is a little half dress. It's like this mesh material at the bottom. It's this beautiful kind of silhouette at the top. Love it. I think for the photo, I'll probably end up doing something like this, like with a little piece of hair here. Time to go, otherwise we're gonna be late. Guys, I just got home from the event. Oh, okay, wait, let me put this on first. I had to leave a bit early because we have to get the dog tomorrow morning. Okay, we have to wake up at 5:45 a.m. So I need to be awake for that because we're driving like 9 hours the whole day. Also, this is my meal prep for today. It's not actually meal prep, guys. I prepped it right now. So this is my dinner for tonight, I mean. Got my veggies, 150 grams of meat, and my 100 grams of rice cooked. Sorry, cats, I'm gonna feed you very soon. I've had like a really long day today. I think we both had a long day. Thank you. Yeah. So good. On our way to pick up our dog. We have a 4-hour road trip ahead of us. It's gonna be a bit of a way, and then we have another 4 hours back home. But I'm so excited. We have all this stuff in the back. You can see we have a food bag in the middle, and then over there is his like little car seat. He's probably gonna sit like where my legs are because it just makes more sense for today. But yes, he's gonna sit down here where my legs are when we grab him. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited. Guys, we're gonna get the dog. We're driving right through. That is adorable. Hello. Which one are you? Which one's Louis? Hi. Oh, so sweet.
Which one was the one with the green cat? I saw the video with the green cat.
Fascinating thing because as a viewer, even before I got closer to the industry,
the way that he looks right now is crazy. He's so cute. Oh, Louis. He's actually like such a good boy. He's been in here and he barely made a peep. And I think it's partly because he's tired, but he really likes it in there. Guys, we gave him this bunny and he's fighting for it right now. No, you're taking it? Oh, is that yours? Is this your bunny?
He's so adorable.
He's really adorable. Is that your acorn? I just gave Louis this other toy. It's basically like a little ball and you can put little treats in it. And I actually got this from Yestar and it's really good. He actually really enjoys this. Our new outdoor table just arrived and look how nice this is. It's like, I got a farmhouse table. We have farmhouse benches as well just because I feel like it matches this kind of vibe, and I'm gonna be growing some plants here. We just haven't gotten to that yet, but once we do it'll be really nice like this way as well. So super excited about that. But look at the details on this. This is so nice. Oh my god, I just love like this little, like the tea in the center and like the chairs as well. Just again, once I do the gardening on the wall, just imagine like breakfast here and also just like my little lunches with like my family and friends. They'll be super cute. And then Louis will be out here as well playing. This is what I'm having for lunch today. I decided to sit out at the new table. I just made a chicken bowl. And then I've got my computer here with my work. I'm eating some watermelon as well, and I'm just importing some footage from all my devices onto my computer. But yeah, this is the vibe, guys. I'm actually like all for this. Like this is the best vibe right now. Nora's spying on Louis right now. You have a good spot? Guys, girl dinner. We got scallops and we got tuna tartare. He's getting a bit tired.
Okay.
Got Greek yogurt, blueberries and honey and cinnamon, and then 2 egg whites and egg, and some black tea with a dash of almond milk.
Lazy to put the rest, but I just wanted to test it. And then I put the rubrics. Okay, like over here, okay? So the AI can.
I just made a lean minced beef bowl for lunch with some veggies, 150 grams of veggies, 125 grams of beef, and then 40 grams of uncooked rice.